Welcome back to Trendz TV, where we break down the machines shaping the future of driving, and today we're diving deep into one of the most refined and intelligent luxury SUVs on the planet. This is the all-new 2026 Volvo XC90, a vehicle that once again proves why Volvo continues to dominate conversations around safety, sophistication, and timeless Scandinavian design. The XC90 has never been about loud styling or aggressive flash. Instead, it has always represented quiet confidence, thoughtful engineering, and premium comfort, and for 2026, Volvo has taken that philosophy and elevated it to an entirely new level. Exterior. From the very first glance, the front of the 2026 XC90 makes a strong yet elegant impression. The redesigned grille is larger, more sculpted, and more upright, featuring Volvo's signature vertical slats finished in either refined chrome or a stealthy gloss black depending on the trim. Sitting proudly at the center is the iconic Volvo iron mark, instantly signaling heritage and trust. On either side, slimmer and sharper LED headlights house the latest evolution of the Thor's hammer daytime running lights. These lights now appear more angular and precise, giving the XC90 a modern, intelligent, and almost futuristic expression. The front bumper has been subtly reshaped with cleaner air intakes and smoother contours, improving aerodynamics while maintaining a premium and composed presence. Everything at the front feels deliberate, calm, and confidently upscale without trying too hard. As we move along the side profile, the 2026 XC90 continues to showcase strong proportions that feel both elegant and commanding. The long wheelbase gives it a planted stance, while the gently rising beltline adds a sense of motion even when the SUV is standing still. New alloy wheel designs ranging from 20 to 22 inches enhance the visual appeal, adding a sportier and more premium edge. Crisp character lines flow smoothly from the front fenders to the rear, visually stretching the body without making it look bulky or oversized. On higher trims, flush door handles improve airflow and reinforce the clean Scandinavian aesthetic. Tasteful chrome accents are applied with restraint, ensuring the design remains sophisticated rather than flashy. Whether cruising down the highway or parked at the curb, the XC90's side profile communicates quiet authority and confidence. At the rear, the 2026 Volvo XC90 stays true to the brand's instantly recognizable design language. The tall, vertically oriented LED taillights wrap seamlessly into the tailgate, now featuring updated light signatures that look sharper and more premium at night. The rear bumper has been refined with a cleaner finish, while the integrated exhaust outlets remain subtle, reinforcing the XC90's understated luxury approach. The wide tailgate emphasizes practicality and ease of access, especially for families, while a discreet roof spoiler and refined badging complete the look. From every angle, the XC90 looks cohesive, elegant, and purpose-built. Interior. Step inside, and the 2026 XC90 immediately surrounds you with an atmosphere of calm, modern luxury. Volvo's Scandinavian interior philosophy is fully on display, blending minimalist design with exceptional material quality. Soft-touch surfaces dominate the cabin, complemented by real wood or brushed aluminum trims and sustainably sourced fabrics that add warmth and character. The dashboard layout is clean and uncluttered, centered around a large vertical touchscreen that controls nearly every function of the vehicle. This latest infotainment system is faster, smoother, and more intuitive than ever, with built-in Google services providing seamless navigation, voice commands, music streaming, and app integration. The seats are among the most comfortable in the luxury SUV segment, offering excellent support for long journeys. Multiple adjustment options, along with heating, ventilation, and massage functions on higher trims, ensure maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. The XC90 continues to offer 3-row seating, with generous space in the first two rows and improved comfort and accessibility for third-row passengers compared to previous models. Ambient lighting softly illuminates the cabin at night, enhancing the premium vibe without being distracting. Smartly designed storage spaces and a wide center console add everyday practicality, while the panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, making the interior feel open, airy, and inviting. Performance. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Volvo XC90 prioritizes smoothness, efficiency, and confidence over outright aggression. Powertrain options are expected to include mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants, offering a strong balance between performance and fuel efficiency. The plug-in hybrid version delivers instant electric torque, making city driving effortless and quiet, while still providing confident acceleration on the highway. The ride quality is exceptionally refined, soaking up road imperfections with ease thanks to an advanced suspension setup. Steering is light yet precise, making the XC90 easy to maneuver despite its size. Volvo's legendary safety technology continues to lead the segment, with advanced driver assistance systems working seamlessly in the background to keep occupants protected at all times. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Volvo XC90 is expected to start in the premium SUV range, reflecting its luxury positioning, advanced technology, and build quality. Entry-level trims will already come well-equipped with modern features and safety tech, while higher trims and plug-in hybrid models will push pricing upward with added luxury, performance, and exclusivity. While it may not be the most affordable option in its class, the XC90 justifies its price through exceptional craftsmanship, innovative safety features, and long-term comfort. So what's the final verdict on the 2026 Volvo XC90? This SUV isn't trying to shout for attention or chase short-lived trends. Instead, it delivers a refined, intelligent, and deeply comfortable driving experience that feels perfectly suited for modern families and luxury buyers who value substance over flash. It blends technology, safety, performance, and design into a package that feels thoughtfully crafted from every angle. If you're looking for a luxury SUV that prioritizes elegance, innovation, and peace of mind, the 2026 Volvo XC90 remains one of the strongest and smartest choices on the road. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Trendz TV, and turn on notifications for more premium car content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new XC90 and whether it deserves a spot in your garage. Until next time, drive smart, drive safe, and stay tuned.